In the third year of the Tenmei famine, when rain had abandoned the land and dust covered every road, a lonely tea house stood beside a quiet crossroads. Its owner, an elderly woman named Chio, remained faithful to her daily rituals. Though her shelves were nearly empty and her hearth had long gone cold, she swept the floor each morning and carefully arranged the few bowls she still possessed. One bowl mattered more than the rest. Plain, gray, and repaired with gold lacquer, it had been passed down through generations. Its cracks were not hidden. They were honored, carrying the memory of every hand that had cared for it. One evening, a starving Ronin arrived. Worn by hunger and exhaustion, he asked only for water. Chio looked toward her dry well, then quietly carried the old bowl outside and lifted it toward the sky. For a long while, nothing happened. Then a single raindrop fell. Another followed. Soon, a gentle rain returned to the village. Though her arms trembled with age, Chio never lowered the bowl until it was full. She carried it inside and offered it to the traveler. The Ronin looked at the rainwater and quietly observed that it was not tea. Chio simply reminded him that water itself was life. He accepted the bowl with both hands and drank slowly. With every sip, some of the weight he carried seemed to disappear. When he returned the bowl, his fingers rested on the golden repair. He wondered why such a broken bowl had been kept for so many years. Chio explained that it had held far more than tea. It had held rain, endured hardship, and carried the memories of 3 generations. A perfect bowl could only serve its purpose. This one had gathered a life of its own. The Ronin bowed deeply before leaving the next morning. Years passed. The famine ended, and one spring day a carefully wrapped parcel arrived. Inside rested a flawless new tea bowl with a note from an unknown sender, who wrote that after searching for another bowl as beautiful as hers, none could be found. So he offered an untouched one, hoping it would one day earn its own story. Chio smiled. She placed the new bowl high upon the shelf. Then she reached for the old one. The cracked bowl remained in her hands for the rest of her life, because beauty is not found in perfection. It is found in what endures. That is the quiet wisdom of Wabi-Sabi.